Right, I'll see you lads, I'm off. Look after yourselves.
See you now, Pete.
I'll give you 3 rings when I get home.
Talk about a holiday from hell. Miss Marple's trip to the Caribbean descends into a web of deceit and murder. Agatha Christie's Marple tomorrow night at 8. But stay with us here on ITV. The Cold War drama continues with The Americans. That's next.